Hello, my name is Noah Arroyo, and welcome to my major applied research project on AAC devices. What is an AAC device? An AAC device is a type of assistive technology that facilitates communication. AAC stands for Alternative and Augmentative Communication. The American Speech and Language Hearing Association defines AAC as all forms of communication other than oral speech that are used to express thoughts, needs, wants, and ideas. Technology has encouraged the development of devices, apps, and computer programs that serve these needs. AAC devices can be very diverse and can range from low-tech to extremely high-tech. AAC devices present exciting possibilities in special education, which will be discussed later in the presentation. The main idea is that AAC devices facilitate communication. There are many types of AAC. Unaided AAC requires no device and can be as basic as gestures and facial expressions. Unaided AAC is usually highly personalized, and an example includes American Sign Language. Aided AAC involves a tool, system, or device. There are three types: low, medium, and high. Low-tech AAC involves things like a picture board or a PEX system, also known as Picture Exchange Communication. Medium-tech AAC involves easy-to-program devices that frequently use recorded speech and picture overlays. They are also low-cost devices. High-tech AAC involves specialized computers with many options and features, like digitized speech production, dynamic touch displays, and internet connectivity. Here are some examples of low, medium, and high-tech AAC. For low-tech, you see a picture board with PEX. For medium-tech, you see a GoTalk and a button system. For high-tech, you see a Dynavox and several tablets and smartphones with apps such as Touch Chat and Nova Chat. Who uses AAC devices? All people with complex communication needs may achieve enhanced communication abilities through the use of augmentative communication. Individual differences and abilities inform the design and selection process. A speech and language pathologist is needed to evaluate and assess the individual to select an appropriate device. Factors include the individual's developmental status, current communication skills, environmental factors, and current and future needs. AAC devices in special education are extremely valuable and important because students with a wide range of disabilities and communication needs can learn to express their needs and wants with these new emerging technologies. One study showed that nonverbal students can master the use of an iPad, which strongly supports their ability to participate in class activities. AAC devices can also be a part of scaffolded learning processes that simultaneously teach communication and literacy. In the classroom, communication can help reduce and diffuse maladaptive behaviors. Communication also encourages the student to develop independence, self-identity, and conflict resolution skills. Technology and AAC devices. Since the 1980s, technology has advanced so much that very complex computers are everywhere in our environment. Ubiquity and increased functionality of devices like smartphones, tablets, and iPads make the development of apps for AAC devices a huge and very promising field. Eye gaze technology allows a user with limited motor skills to control a device like a Tobii Dynavox by tracking the movements of their eyes and pupils. Apps like Touch Chat, Cough Drop, Proloquo to Go, and Nova Chat can turn any tablet, phone, or iPad into an AAC devices. Potential for individual with speech impairments and poor motor skills is limitless. A quick guide to instructing on an AAC device. 1. Model use of the device. 2. Respond to all AAC communication promptly. 3. When the student engages in requesting behavior, prompt the student to use the AAC device to request. 4. When experiencing challenging behaviors, wait for the behavior to stop, then prompt with the AAC device. 5. The availability of the AAC device should be consistent and exist across all settings. 6. Daily practice. 7. Teach peers and others in the classroom setting how to use the device. I teach moderate to severe transition skills at an NPS in Pasadena. I went around my campus and took photos of various AAC devices. Although I could not show my amazing students using these devices, I did collect some videos of staff members demonstrating their functionality. I started off with some low-tech AAC at my school. Here you see a few PEX boards with various pictures on them. Then we transitioned into some medium tech. Here I have a Go Talk with a few words, and then there's an Alpha Smart here that's pretty outdated by now. Here come the iPads now. Most of these iPads are using touch chat, although a few are loaded with Proloquo to go. At my school we primarily use touch chat. That way it's a school-wide consistency, classroom to classroom. Here's a couple more iPads. Coming up, I'm going to have a video demonstration of eye gaze technology. I couldn't actually get the student using it, but I just YouTubed a video with the same technology. Here it is. You can see the student is actually using their eyes to click on the various icons and pages that are displayed on their device.
The weather is windy. The weather is
Right
windy.
here we can see pictures and icons
Today
being
is
chained to create
Friday,
sentences.
February 23rd. Today is Friday, February 23rd.
Another way of entering messages
Today
is through direct typing,
is
which we can see being demonstrated here.
Friday. Today is Friday.
The potential for emerging technology to continue to influence the development, accessibility, and creativity of AAC devices is huge. The growing need to serve a wide range of communication deficiencies ensures that AAC devices will continue to develop and change as technology does. This is the end of my major applied research project on AAC devices.